Your patient is prescribed 800 mils NACL with an infusion time of 6 hours. How much will be infused after 4 hours? Right, now, so 800 mils after 6 hours, right? 800 mils goes in 6 hours. So a handy way to do this maybe is to get how much will be in after 1 hour. So we divide by 6. We divide 800, divide that by 6, and that will tell us how much the patient has got after 1 hour. And once we have 1 hour, we can multiply our 1 hour figure by 4 to get our final answer there. So 800, let's add on a decimal point there and a couple of zeros. 800 divided by 6, 6 into 8 goes once, 2 remaining, 6 into 20 goes 3 times, and 2 remaining, 6 into 20 goes 3 times, and 2 remaining, and down a decimal point, 6 into 20 again, see we're repeating here, 3 6 is 18, so it goes in 3 times and 2 remaining, 3 times and 2 remaining, etc. So approximately 133.33 mils in 1 hour. So to get 4 hours, we multiply our figure there by 4. 133.33. Multiply that by 4. Alright. And so I just wanted 2 decimal places there. It's reasonable. It doesn't say anything about decimal places or the nearest whole number there. 4 3s are 12. Carry the 1. 4 3s are 12 and 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 4 3s are 12 and 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 4 3s are 12 and 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 4 1s are 4 and 1 is 5. And we see we have 2 decimal places here, 1, 2. So we come in 2 here. And so in the decimal point there, we get 533.32 mils. That's the amount of mils after 4 hours. So to the nearest mil, if you were just going to whole milliliters, the 3 there is low, so it would be approximately equal to 533 mils. That's it.